Hi guys, this is Bay and
Son
and
Mom.
Start to have the African approach to
Fitness.
Can I go to mommy now?
This is it, isn't it? Exercise. See, I'm breathing. As the deer pants for water, so my soul runs after you. Shimashina. Shimashina. Yes, keep your heart pumping, that's all. I'm going to carry on dancing anyway. Finish my lectures today. Exercise. I think the boys are cleaned. Just do a few cleanings. We're good to go. Only God knows why your face is like that.
I always smile.
You always smile. That's okay. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Knowing you can always count on me. For sure. That's what mom is for. For good times and bad times, I will be on your life forevermore. That's what friends are for. Are you recording, Diva?
Yeah.
Aha!
This morning, we decided to do a little exercise, a little morning dance. Obviously, we're staying at home, keeping fit. Hope you guys are keeping fit.
Right, just enjoy, guys. Enjoy. See, it works. Just a little shake, you start sweating like Christmas fowl. Well, PJ joined us today. We're quite excited about. Just keep fit. Whatever you can do, just keep the blood pumping. God bless you. This is Mom and
Bye.
and
Done.
bye.
Bye.